I'm honored to stand here before you as a candidate for our school elections. I am running in these school elections because I want to ensure that everyone in our school feels confident and supported to learn. I believe that together we can create an even better environment of our school. So I hope to earn your support as well as your vote. Vote for me, thank you.
My name is 𝐿𝐴 and I am from Rawalpindi. Please vote for me. I will make sure the classes are neat and clean. I will maintain discipline. Thank you.
My name is Atta-ul-Haq and I'm from grade 7. I'm running for an election. I hope so you vote me. I will try to address your issues. Thank you.
From grade 8, I am running for secretary. If elected, I will try to maintain our school discipline, work hard to make positive changes and value your opinion and feedback. Vote for me and I will try my best to make your school experience great. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am 𝐓𝐡𝐞 from class 9 and I am standing for the position of Vice President. Vote for me and together we will bring the environment cool of the schools and I surely will help you all with the problems and bring a good change in the campus. Thank you.
From grade 9 and I am standing for Vice President. I hope you all vote me and I will be maintain discipline in school. Grade 10, I will maintain the discipline and please vote for me. I am from class 10. I will try to help you and please vote for me and I will try to bring discipline in the school. Thank you.